Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be going over the Syncwire Universal Waterproof Phone Pouch. This one has an IPX8 certification, wide capability, adjustable strap, and is sensitive to touch as well, so you can use your cellular device or any of your touchscreen devices within the phone pouch as well. So let's actually check out the back side. It just goes over the material and the fact that it is safe and handy, snap and lock, closure system, and adjustable neck strap deliver convenience in every detail. With a wide capability, fits all smartphones up to 6.6 inches. This product actually costs $10.19 on a limited time deal, but is normally listed at $13.99. But I believe where it's upcoming Prime Day, you can get it for $10.19 currently. But like I said, I will leave a link down in the description below for you guys to check one of these out as well. Let's go ahead and open up today's box and see exactly what they look like. Alright guys, here are the phone pouches, and I actually recommended them send me these two colors. They actually have another different set of colors. I think it's black and gray. Black and transparent. It is black and transparent, but I opted for the, I would consider this a seafoam green or something like that. So yeah, I got the seafoam green for my wife as well because she has the Samsung S20 and it has the color like that. So I just thought that would be really cool to have for this phone. So let's go ahead and actually check it out and see how it works with the sensitive touch and see if it actually does work. It looks like it's very durable, has the locking mechanisms and everything right there. So let's check it out. Wow, that was cool. Just with a couple of snaps right there, it unlocked. Now let's go ahead and slide our phone in there. Whoa, wow. Gotta take the Syncwire insert out first. Okay. Now let's slide our device in there. And it fits like a glove. Now let's go ahead and try to shut it back again as well. Go ahead and put it in back like this and swivel it, and same with this side over here, but I accidentally locked it into place too soon. So there we go, swivel it back, lock it, and there it is. And now let's see if it's actually touch sensitive. I'm gonna go ahead, because these gloves are not touch sensitive, I'm gonna go ahead and take my glove off and see. Wow, definitely touch sensitive. Okay. In today's video, we'll be going over another fantastic month of ThreadBeast. At least I hope so. This one is a premium box and it's fully loaded. Definitely got some good. Wow. Well, there it is, guys. And if you didn't know, I also do ThreadBeast unboxings, so check those videos out as well. This one just came out yesterday, has 43 views, and currently sitting at 888 subscribers. Super excited, guys. Definitely excited for this product. It's very well made, very durable. I have the black one for myself, and I'm currently filming on my phone, but once I get done filming, I'm gonna place mine, and mine would be a very tight fit, but with a thin case on, I believe I could fit it and this on top of it as well. So definitely a fantastic product, guys. I also have this awesome Syncwire waterproof pouch with waist strap as well to do a review on, so stay tuned and subscribe for that one as well, guys. I will leave a link down in the description below where you can check out this product in particular, and you can also check out the Syncwire product page to look at all their other various products as well. And there's the back right there, looks very clean. I love the look of it. Overall, 10 out of 10. Real life rating. I'm gonna start doing real life ratings for you all, and this one Beginning now, it gets the first real life rating of a 10 out of 10 right here for the foam protector. Waterproof. It's actually very tight sealed. It's hugging my phone. It's very easy to control. Like I said, it moves very swiftly, so definitely awesome to have. Go ahead and click back on it. Get that going. Don't want to lower my audience retention rate, guys. So speaking of audience retention rates, if you've made it to this point, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.